Hello, in this video I show you how we can enable the chat voice on our Roblox. So it's very easy method. First of all, you need to come on your Roblox account and log in, and then you need to click on this gear for setting option. Click on the setting. Now in this setting option you have the two method. Okay, first of all I show you this article which is mentioning what is a voice chat, and that's say that eligible for 13 plus user who are phone number verified. So you need to be verify your phone number. Okay, and these are the countries in which you are eligible by verifying your phone numbers, and other countries which are not in that list, they need to be verified their ID verification for their age verification, and then their voice chat is enabled. So if you are in US, then you see this option add a phone. Okay, just simply click on it, put your phone number here, and they send you OTP, and then you paste OTP here, and in that way they verify your phone number, and through your phone number they can verify your age. And if you don't see this phone number option here, that's only the reason because you are not listed in these countries which are eligible by verifying their age using a phone number. So you need the ID verification, and that's the verification verify by my age. When you click on it, then they simply say that you can verify your ID by just put the email here, and by putting the email they send you an email and also the QR code you can scan on your phone number, and using your phone number you need to be live verifying your national ID card and any kind of document related to maybe passport and other driving licenses if you have the front and back, and then they take the photo of your live profile picture like the selfie, and then in that way they can verify you. So that is the video. In that way you can verify your account very easily for the voice chat. So I hope so you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe and share with your friend which need the voice chat option enabled in their Roblox. So I see you in next video.